Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Wix to edit mobile-friendly UI elements. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Log in to your Wix account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the site you want to edit from your dashboard. In the site editor, locate the mobile view option. Click on the mobile icon to switch to the mobile editor. Wix may prompt you to authorize access for editing mobile-friendly UI elements. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This may involve verifying your account or confirming your identity. Once authorized, you'll access the mobile-friendly UI elements. Explore the available options for customizing your mobile site's layout. Select the element you wish to edit, such as text, images, or buttons. Make your desired changes using the editing tools provided. Preview your changes by toggling the preview option. Once satisfied, click the Save button to save your edits. If needed, publish your site to apply the changes to the live version. Check your updates on various mobile devices to ensure a consistent look. Repeat the process as necessary for other elements you wish to modify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.